In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Google Forms banner so your forms look more professional and personalized. Whether it's for work, school, or a personal project, a custom banner instantly makes your form stand out. First, open Google Forms and log in. From your dashboard, pick the form you want to edit so you're working on the right one. At the top, you'll see a small palette icon. This is the theme customization tool. Click it and a sidebar will open with options for colors, fonts, and header images. Now head to the header section. If a default banner is already there, remove it to avoid overlap. Then click Choose Image. Google gives you built-in themes, but you can also upload your own picture or select one from Google Photos. For best results, use a high-resolution image that matches your style. Once you've picked your image, click Insert and your new banner will appear instantly. Preview your form to make sure it looks sharp and you're done. That's how you change your Google Forms banner in just a few clicks. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make your online tools work smarter for you.